Welcome to my channel. Today I want to harvest my egg from my net, from the Lovenet. So I'm going to harvest some of the egg by removing the eggs. They lay the eggs in the eggs. So I will remove it, and harvesting is done in the morning and in the evening. You can see from the net my flies are like not active. So when it's morning and evening, they are not active like when the sun is out. So if you try harvesting when the sun is out, some of them might escape from the net. So that's why it's done in the morning, perhaps before 8 in the morning, and then in the evening. So that is when harvest is done. So I'm going to remove the eggs. So when you are removing the eggs, when you are harvesting, just shake the eggs. When you shake the eggs, some of the eggs might drop in the net, and you don't want that to happen. It will be wasted. So if I remove this band that is holding the wood together, you can also see the lay between the wood. So that's how they lay their egg. Right now my flies have declined. It's not like as I saw it last week. They have declined because most of them have lay egg. This is the fifth time I'm harvesting egg from this net. So the first harvest was not much, but the second harvest was so much, and the third. So right now it's as though the colony is declining. The egg is not as much as the previous harvest. So I'm harvesting for the fifth time now. So the egg is not as much as that, and you can see from my from my um from my net, these are shells, pupa shells. So most of the fly have emerged from the pupa, and they are in the net. What I'm having here, most of them are pupa shell. But when I put them initially, it's filled of pupas. But now most of flies have emerged out, and they have laid egg. Another thing I'll need you to take note is that you need to be removing the dead flies from your net regularly. Two days you can do that. So these are the dead flies. I've just removed them from the net. So you need to do that because they have an odor. If you don't do that, the flies will be attracted to these dead flies, and they will lay egg inside the dead flies because of the odor of the dead fly. So you need to be removing it 2 days. You can, as you are harvesting, you remove the dead fly as well. So this will prevent the fly laying egg in the dead flies. So I do that regularly, and then you need to wet the place. I spray the net with water twice a day, and then you can also put water in a towel and keep beside. So they are sustained with water. So their lifespan is 8 days. So after 8 days, they die off, they lay egg and they die off. The colony is declining. So that is what I want to discuss about the love net. The love net. If you have any experience from your BS farming, you can drop the experience in the comments so that we'll hear from you. And then if you have any questions as well, you can drop in the comment below. So your love net should be taken care of. So ventilation is very essential. Ventilation, you can see my place is an open place. When you are scraping the egg, be careful so that you don't damage the egg. You do it that carefully. Once you scrape and you see a liquid substance, you know that you have damaged some of the egg. So that's how you are scraping carefully. You can see it with so much patience. You scrape carefully so that you don't damage the egg. When you damage the egg, it's of no use. So we want all our eggs to come out so that they will become larva. We need the larva. So you are careful. You should be careful when harvesting your egg. So thank you very much for watching this video. I want to hear your success story about BSF. Why did you go into BSF farming? I want to hear from you. For me, I have a large number of fish I want to feed, and chicken as well. So that's what prompted me to encourage me or inspire me to do BSF farming. Let me hear from you. And in future, I'm thinking of making it commercial, large scale, large scale. So continue watching my video, subscribe. Let's grow together. Let's learn together. And it is well with us all. Bye for now.